What is going on YouTube? That's right, yet another Gerber product has made its way back into the shop. I know, huge shocker, right? Yes, I admit it. I freely admit it. I am a Gerber addict. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're gonna see what's in that box. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Today we're going to take a look at the Gerber Edict Tanto. Now honestly, as I usually do, cruising around through Amazon, there was something about this one that just reached out and grabbed me and went, this thing could be a great everyday carry. It's not small enough where it looks silly, and it's not huge enough where people think you're carrying a Rambo knife. There it is. No, it did not come with the little lanyard. I added that afterwards. Here she is. The one part I truly love. Right there. Made in the USA out of Portland, Oregon. Yep, it seems like Gerber, I don't know, the only way I can put it, a higher end blade, they're going to make in Portland. Anything budget-wise goes to China. But that's okay. Doesn't matter. It's here in the shop, so let's break it on down. It's got an overall length of 8.5 inches. The blade is 3.6. Enclosed, it's 4.9. It's got a small weight to it, which really surprised me when you look at the size of this thing. It's only 3.6 ounces. Now, what I thought was really cool, and no, it's not the usual crap steel from Gerber. The blade steel is 154 cm, and it has a black ceramic coating to help, stave off rust, resistance, tear, all that other wonderful stuff that we hate. Now, the thing that caught me off guard, there's really no scales in there, or I should say liner, but it is a glass-filled nylon handle with this really, really cool rubber texture overmold that just feels great in your hand. As you saw, there is a lockback system, which I'm really, truly liking because honestly, they barely move. You have the dual thumb studs for opening, and it is a one-position pocket clip, and you can only carry it tip up. And yeah, it's got that weird little lanyard hole there. Now, here's some of the weird stuff I discovered with this guy. The pocket clip came really, really loose. I was able to move it side to side, so I had to tighten down those screws. Not to mention, as some of you may know, my UPS guy likes playing around with the new stuff that I get in, and when he started to open it, it made me go, what, did you break it? So when you're opening, it gets to a certain position, and of course, now maybe I've gotten it, but it locks there for a second, and then it has that other loud lock where you know it's in place. So I'm like, what do you have, a double locking system? You can hear that click, click. I found that really, really weird. Seriously, I don't know why it does that. Now, before I even forget, came pretty sharp right out of the package. And yeah, let's go for 4. So you see, it cuts them, no problem. And taking a look at that blade, there's really nothing left behind. And I haven't run this over a strop or, any ceramic honing rods yet. That's just right out of the package. Now, as we usually do, we take a look at, the costs and ratings. Now, over on Gerber's website, it's going to run you $69. Over on Amazon, it's going to be $64.04. Now, Gerber's driving me crazy with this. I took a look at the rating on their website, and it's got 5 out of 5 stars, which I go, that's impossible. Even when you're using new math from Arkansas and Common Core math, if you have 4 and 3 star reviews, you cannot get a 5 out of 5. It's mathematically impossible. But according to Gerber, 5 out of 5. Over on Amazon, it's 4.3 out of 5 with about 53 reviews that tend to go all over the place. Overall, it's pretty much loved with 5 stars, but there's a couple people out there who gave it a 1 because they just didn't like the look. And I'm like, you bought this and you didn't like the look of it, so you're going to give a blade a 1 star because you bought a blade you didn't like how it looked. That makes no sense to me. But anywho, I want to know what you think out there. That's right, you, and you over there, and you over there. Leave your questions, comments, you love, anger, hatred, whatever, man. Just write down below. You guys know I'll answer everyone because, you know, it's kind of the fun part of doing this is interacting with all of you. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for selecting this video to start with. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of my videos. Now, for all you cool guys out there who haven't subscribed yet, little symbol right down here, right there. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Go ahead and destroy that button, man. All the cool kids are doing it. Join us. Be one of us. One of us. After you've done that, guys, go ahead and destroy that bell icon that's right next to it. That will let you know every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from a catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But guys, there we go. My very quick tabletop overview or review, whatever you want to call it, of the Gerber Edict Tanto. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.